be telling you this part of the story. Okay, how can we extend the biomarker discovery, that whatever I'm telling, how can we do it? There's a lot of work we have done here using these type of techniques, but what if you cannot use those techniques? Each one of you, I'm going to tell you right now in advance, each one of you can discover biomarkers, biomarker candidates at least. If you make use of this section, these sessions, you can do that. How to do it? Ms. Shravanti will demonstrate to you what we have been doing. I will tell you theoretically, but practically, how do you make use of important experimental data that is out there, transcriptomic data, which costs several lakhs or sometimes crores of money to generate the data. That data is available for free use for everyone. You can use it. We're going to tell you today how to use it. Because it's only a half-day workshop, we're only going to demonstrate to you, but we'll try to make it interesting. Okay, so we will tell you something, we will say, did you follow? And invariably you will say yes, and then we will call you. And we'll ask you to do something here. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit hands-on that way. We'll randomly call somebody. So pay attention. Yeah? You are able to pay attention, right? If not, we will call here to demonstrate that. Okay, so that's what is going to happen in the end. How do we actually use public data sets? That's what we're going to have. Alright? Now let's start from the beginning. So what is expected of this half-day workshop is clear now?
Yes.
Good. Let's start. Okay, I should also tell this. This entire work that I told so far up to patenting and commercialization, most of this case study has been led by one of our team members by name Govind. So Mr. Govind is my PhD student. He is almost submitting also in IDAV. And whatever work he did in the end, he actually applied it as a grant proposal, research grant proposal, when Government of India called application from students, MSc, BSc, BTech, every student, including PhD students, they could apply for research grant form to commercialize their research. They have done academic research. If you want to commercialize, you can apply. So about thousands of applications went, and the top 50 were identified as an appreciation award. There is not much money given, but at least there is an award given, and he is happily standing there. Not smiling much because I was there in front. So, the work that he did receive an appreciation, because you got about 50 among thousands, and most of the top 50 were research students from Institute of Science in Bengaluru, or JNCBS in Bengaluru, or IITs in India. And I was glad that this new institute was represented by him. So it is a good work, and hopefully you will also enjoy learning about that work. It's important to tell some part of the success beforehand so that you get more excited. All right, let's talk about this. How do we discover biomarkers? Before that, let's understand what is this phrase, differentially expressed genes. What is a genome? What is a transcriptome? These type of terms, let's get familiar with. Okay? Do you have an idea what do you mean by differentially expressed genes? Does anybody know? See, you have three types of answers. Yes, no, I don't want to answer. So one of the three you are supposed to tell. Interactive means what? That's right. No. So which of it is going to be?
No.
No. Okay. Others still don't know whether to answer or not. No problem. It's English term, right? Differentially, differently. I don't know why. I still don't know why they don't say differently. They want to make it complicated for you, right? So differently expressed. Differentially expressed. Yes.
The character which is inherited and it is expressed differently.
The genes expressed. Genes are responsible for characters. That way you are right. Yeah, so maybe we will recirculate the mic if you want, because your question should be heard by others also. But good, thank you. So that's what I want, right? So interactions. Genes express differently. Before that, I think we should understand what do you mean by expression of genes. When do you